Have you ever asked yourself this kind of question? Why some rich people drink alcohol or smoke a lot? Something it is fun, something it is freedom, but often it is more than just fun. Sometimes money brings stress, responsibility, and pressure. When you have power, people expect things from you. When you have wealth, you carry fear. Fear of losing it, fear of failure, fear of being exposed. Some rich people use alcohol or smoke as a way of escaping their worries, to forget the heavy weight of expectation. Some use it to fit in, to show status, or to feel they belong. But let me tell you the truth. This is not freedom. This is not happiness. This is a temporary relief, a momentary comfort that does not solve the real problem. The lesson here is for you and me. Money alone does not guarantee peace. We can work hard, earn, and succeed, but if we don't take care of our mind, our heart, and our purpose, we may fall into the same trap. Use your energy wisely. Find balance. Drink knowledge. Smoke ideas and consume wisdom. Protect your wealth, your mind, and your spirit, because true wealth is not counted in dollar, but in peace and freedom. So my brother, my sister, don't envy someone money. Envy their balance, their focus, and their purpose. Money can buy comfort, but it cannot buy contentment.